Hey, Steve here from Prima Coffee, and today we're going to take a quick look at this adapter set for the Hario Electro Solo. Hario released the Electro Solo here so that you could grind the Hario grinders, or some of the Hario grinders, electrically. So basically, there's a socket on the bottom here, and it fits on top of the Hario drive shaft on a couple of their grinders. Then you turn that on, and it does the grinding for you. So we've had some people reach out and say, well, this is great, but how do I use it with other grinders? So we've put together this adapter set that works with the Timemore C2 and the Comandante. So you have your square to hex adapter drive here, and then you have your square to hex socket. And this socket here fits perfectly and snugly on top of these two grinders. So the adapter set is pretty easy to use. It's what you would do if this were a drill and you were trying to either step down or step up to a different size hex, because on the bottom here, that is a hex socket. So you can take these two pieces and you can fit them together, and you can go ahead and put the adapter drive down in to that Electro Solo socket, and then you're basically ready to go. You can take the Electro Solo and you can put it on top of whichever grinder that you're going to use, put some coffee in there, and it will go ahead and turn that center burr for you and do the grinding. Like I said, it fits both the Timemore C2 here and the Comandante. You can find this adapter set online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching.